This is the Vito Pro Pack SC-45. I use this for starting up new units, um, taking pressure testing and running a vacuum and all that. We have a new construction crew, so I start up the units for that. First, refrigeration tool, yellow jacket, Malco attachment. Got the Ritchie yellow jacket core remover, the Milwaukee 1/4 inch ratchet with the carry through the railer, the regular 2-inch Allen key to go in that ratchet to open up valves. And of course, I can't find. There it is. The Malco attachment for the refrigeration. Just a trailer valve tool. Keep saying paper. That goes with the Milwaukee ratchet wrench. And there's the other side of that railer for the low side. I got a couple. That's the high and low side for a standard ratchet. And on the front, I got 2 wrenches. Got the Raptor. It comes from Ferguson without the grip. I actually like it better without the grip because it sticks in my railer strip bag a little bit better. And got the small twine. But yeah, that's my loadout on that.